Yes, finally, you can become a member on my channel, meaning you can join my channel and get some super perks, be a supporter. It's really exciting. Here's what you get. First of all, for $2.99 a month, you get to be a supporter of the channel, and I really thank you and appreciate you. And in turn, you get some emojis and badges next to your name in live chats and so on. It's really cool. So you'll stand out from the crowd, if you will. Now for $6.99, you become an aspiring entrepreneur. And what that means, you get some extra stuff than just being a supporter. So you get some photos and status updates on the community page, but you also get some member-only videos. How cool is that? On the next level, on the next tier, you are an entrepreneur. And for $29.99 a month, you get what I just mentioned, but you also get exclusive live streams where we can interact. You can have an AMA and nobody else is there, so it's going to be above the noise, if you will. So it's more personal and we can spend more time together. Now, on the next tier, on the next level, you get to be a certified entrepreneur. And what that means is you get a dedicated page in my next book with your name on it. It actually says certified sponsors, has a thank you message from me, and a dedication to you with your name in that book. Now that's really cool. And finally, for you super fans out there, for $99.99 a month, you get to be a super entrepreneur. And what that means is you get everything else I talked about, but also access to the Success Experience course, an audio course I literally made while I was fighting cancer, with a special bonus of me talking to my editor, trying to write my book, which Evan Carmichael himself, from Your One Word, suggested I put out there. And that is really cool. So thank you. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you. Thank you for the support. Love you guys. I'll see you soon.